Sit quietly, relax, and take several deep breaths while scanning your body for any areas of tension and release it. Now turn your awareness inward to see the truth. It is the pathway to intuition, knowledge, and wisdom. If you have a question regarding a choice you would like to make and you want to access your wise guidance, ask now for wisdom regarding this situation. Feel comfort now knowing that all is well, and let this ease any fears you may have. Continue with your meditation, considering how awareness works in your life. What are the beliefs you hold on to reflect your sense of self? If you are willing to release old, worn ideas and reform better ones about yourself, your new awareness will reflect your new thinking. Create new beliefs about your power, beauty, and intelligence that make you worthy, and claim a life of joy and happiness for yourself right now. Take a moment now to acknowledge my spirit is eternal. Listen carefully to your words as you take them into your heart. Feel your heart space become free from any sense of illusions that you may have towards being perfect to experience happiness and wholeness. Know that you are good, whole, beautiful, and worthy of all, and especially of love, simply because you are a child of the universe.